Assalamu alaikum. This is the course of content writing, and this is brought to you by Batool Skills Academy. First of all, I would like to thank Batool Skills Academy who have designed and brought this course to all of you. My name is Madiha Arif, and I am PhD in microbiology with more than 11 years of experience in content writing. So this course is basically designed and meant for you people to understand content writing, to adopt content writing, and to apply content writing in your careers, in your life, in as your passion or as your profession, whatever suits you. So I would like to share my experience of having content writing in my life. Yes, it has a lot of worth in my life because apart from profession, apart from passion, it has been a very important factor in my financial support throughout my life. So, content writing is not only a hobby, but it gives you a lot. It earns you a lot, and yes, it has earned me a lot because from the last few years I am working as a trainer in giving the lectures on content writing, and it has earned a lot to me. The next thing is the purpose of this course. The purpose of this course is very simple. It has been designed so that the beginners could be helped. They could be able to understand the types of content writing. Now, there are various types of content writing, which one to adopt and which one to, let go, and then they would be able to understand the importance of content writing in their lives, in their working, in their daily life, as a daily life hobby, and actually what content writing is, why it is important in today's world, and why we should adopt it. So all these questions would be answered in this course. Apart from that, why should we adopt content writing as a career? And yes, this course would also enable the beginners to start their career in content writing. So there would be many tools discussed at the end of the course, which would be helpful in doing the content writing work and starting up with the content writing. So my expectations from this course is very simple. As I said, that I need the participants to be able to understand the applicability of content writing. They could identify their area of interest exactly and start their career in content writing. So these are my simple expectations from this course, and what are your expectations? You need to think about that. So these are the contents of the webinar. First of all, of this course, first of all, what is the content writing? So we are going to discuss in detail what content writing is, then its importance, what is its importance, what is its applicability. Then there are many types of content writing, and basically you have to decide your type of content writing before starting it, like which one attracts you, or which one could be your strength, or what niche you have to adopt. So these are the things that would be answered or would be in your mind when you will learn about the types and niche of the content writing. And then the important thing is that we are going to discuss the basics of blogging, like we are going to learn how can we write it step by step. I'm going to tell you that how the blog can be built up. And then very important thing is that search engine optimization. So we are going to discuss first of all what is it, what is SEO, and what are the types of SEO. And then at the end we would also know the techniques of the SEO and also the tools of the SEO. How can we apply them and how can we use them? So this complete course is going to be on the content writing basics, and apart from that we are going to envision the blogging part, the SEO part, which is the most important type of content writing. So I hope that you would really enjoy it. Thank you so much.